very quick, tasty dish right now. In fact, all the prep's going to be done before Leo can even wake up from a nap. So, not that he takes a 20-minute nap, but hopefully we do this in 20 minutes. So first we're going to start by cutting some herbs. We have some culantro here, slice it very, very thin. A little bit of cilantro, followed by a little green onion, some lemongrass. And so for the lemongrass, I'm actually going to smack it with the pestle. It's a quick little trick to give you a quick mince. So we'll go a little barbershop of the makrut lime leaves, because that's what we do. It already smells like laap, Jesus. I think I'm actually going to leave the mint out of here and just kind of chop on some mint raw when we're eating this. I don't really like cooked out mint. Just observe your knife cuts. And then we're going to put in some nice pork in a bowl. I have some Berkshire pork here, followed by a little chili powder. Give it a little mix. Add as much chili powder as you want, really. A little squeeze, a little squeeze. And then we're going to hit it with a little bit of cow kua, which is toasted rice, followed by some lime juice and fish sauce. You really want to nail the lime juice and fish sauce here, because that's what's going to give you the sour and the salty. And to help bind everything together, we're going to add a little bit of gogi, which is a tempura flour, but you can use all-purpose flour or even rice flour. Do a little taste test here for seasoning. I want to make sure it's salty and sour. Now you could just fry them all off like this, a shallow fry in a pan fry, less oil, it'll be good. But if you want pure luxury, you need to deep fry. You need to deep fry them into nice golf balls that will only shoot hole-in-ones because they're so damn good. Add some neutral oil to a wok or a pan and line up your soldiers of pork. Drop them in one by one at ideally around 360 degrees. But as you can see here, I wanted to show this. My heat is dropped to around 250 degrees even though I started at 360. And that's why you do not overcrowd the pan, folks. And then we're going to flash it again after removing it, just for the color. We're going to fry a little bit of chilies and makrut lime leaves for not only garnish, but I really enjoy biting those. Yes, I am sitting on the ground to film this right now because my tripod is already gone. I put it away. So, let's try this. Leo has just woken up. It's not even a joke. He got up. It's out of battery. We finished the recipe. It actually did take about an hour, but that's because I was filming and setting up angles and all that. But let's just give it a little light bite. Chase it with a little mint. Maybe a little makrut lime leaf. Maybe we'll make a little lettuce laap cup for satirical reasons. Right. Come on, in this economy, wow, that's good.